recording. That's a good break reaction. Uh-oh. Ah! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Mako in the rain, round 2.
Mako rain ride.
Oh gosh. Why
This
are we
was
doing
almost
this?
This was a mistake. This was a mistake. Journey to Atlantis.
It's raining so much, you guys. This is gonna be absurd.
Up at this point.
Yeah, I'm just gonna like cover my face the whole ride.
Oh no, oh no, oh, 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 oh. Oh yeah, I'm kind of fine. Oh my gosh, I'm fine.
Are you still fine?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh wait, never mind. Oh my
when we were in the valleys, we weren't getting wet.
We were again, it recorded like halfway.
Wait, what?
I gotta go again.
What?
It what? It recorded halfway.
Oh, it stopped?
No, it wasn't letting me record the lift hill.
Oh, dang.
I gotta go again.
Oh, wow.
Body, so
Gone. Gone.